So if you've ever wanted to be part cheetah, then watch this video and see how I got this gorgeous eye tattoo all in about 20 seconds. It's so cute and such a statement piece. I absolutely love it. Like, it looks like I spent hours doing my makeup. Hi guys, we're gonna be testing out some cheetah eye sticker tattoos. Okay, so I ordered a pack of these cheetah eye tattoos that like go around your eye, and they have like freckles or sparkles or whatever. So I'm really excited to try these out. These are by the brand Fazit. Not sponsored, I just saw them and I was like, okay, I need these. These are so cool. I'm gonna put it on for like 2 minutes. So I'm just like wetting my face cloth here, and I'm gonna really get it soaked because I really want it to look good. All right, it has been a minute. Let's take a look and reveal. What? Like, check that out. That's insane. That is actually insane. That is so neat. If you have like a Halloween look or just, you know, ladies' night out, whatever. Look how cool that is. Could I have done it closer to my eye? Yeah, I think so. I think we should do the other eye and see how it looks. And we'll do it a little better now that we know what we're doing. Okay, it's time to do the other eye. I want it closer, so I'm gonna have to kind of get it on my eyebrow, I think, to really make it like closer. Let's try it out. Okay. Damp our towel again. Really get that soaked. Okay. And there we go. So this is like such a great idea for after you're done your makeup, because it doesn't mess with the rest of your makeup as long as you press the wet towel to the tattoo sticker itself. Yeah, I'm so excited. See you guys in like a minute. Okay, it's been about a minute. Let's see if I am part cheetah now. Okay, whoa, this is so cool. Holy guacamole, it's so beautiful. I love it. I would probably just do one eye, just like as a statement piece. I just think it's so beautiful. The detail is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm sold. I'm in love with these. And again, not sponsored. I just love testing out new products myself, and you get like 6 of these. So love these, they're so cute. Like, beyond cute, right? So cute. So yeah, this was my first one I did. I did it a little too far from my eye, and then this one I did a little bit closer. I could probably try and get closer next time. It doesn't bug my skin at all. I have super sensitive skin and it does not bug it. Still looks super cute at nighttime as well. Ooh, these are so neat, and they don't rub off that easily, you guys. I've been wearing these for a few hours now and they haven't even rubbed off at all. They're so cool. So when I take them off with a makeup wipe tonight, I'm sure it might be a little difficult, but we'll see. But yeah, it like doesn't rub off at all. So that is so cool. I love it. I'm part cheetah now. They're so pretty. Like, such a game changer. Like, it looks like I spent hours doing my makeup, you know? And that's so cool. I love it. Ooh, so beautiful. So the trick is to just take a hot cloth, wet cloth, and you just rub. So, not the worst way to get it off, but yeah, a makeup wipe did not cut it. So yeah, just need a little friction, and there we go, got one off. Okay, next side. I mean, these are so cool. I don't want to take them off.